Appearance and disappearance of formations and material models continue, and eons pass without change as the cloud continues to expand and spread once again, vibrating intensely from within. It pulses, activates, and generates material waves and currents resembling vast rivers, so large that a spacecraft traveling at the speed of light would take thousands of years to cross them from one side to the other. As a result of these currents and waves within the cloud, its material is redistributed. These chain reactions led to the first explosion, which produced 4 or 5 fragments. Each fragment then divided, forming swarms of smaller clouds from the original parent cloud, each the size of millions of solar systems. Let us focus on one of these secondary clouds, with a diameter of about 5,000 light-years. It initially appears formless after separation, but internal movements intensify, causing the cloud to contract and rotate. The more it contracts, the faster it rotates, and the faster it rotates, the more its sides swell. Eventually, as its rotation reaches a tremendous speed, it flattens and takes on a defined shape, forming a giant disk with a bulging center. The arms begin to form, and this new celestial body takes on a spiral shape, becoming the first and largest regular model. Thus, our galaxy, the Milky Way, was born from the original cloud, from which 19 other secondary clouds also formed galaxies. These galaxies have remained connected by gravity since their birth, some taking elliptical shapes, others like bright spheres, and some as curved filaments in the shape of the letter Z. Some have no form or order. The largest galaxy in this family is the Milky Way, spanning a distance with a diameter of 33 billion light-years. A light-year equals 5.88 million miles. There is a spiral group known as Andromeda, designated as M31. Other families of galaxies originated from even larger original clouds. In the direction of the Virgo constellation, more than 300 million light-years away, there is a cluster of galaxies containing at least 1,000 galaxies. One of these galaxies emits strong, steady, shapeless waves, and a massive blue current emanates from its center. There is also another galaxy cluster 3 billion light-years away from us. Thus, we see clusters of galaxies across the horizons of the heavens. Each galaxy shines with billions of stars, all moving together as one unit in an ever-expanding, renewing universe. All of this, naturally, is a hypothesis and an effort based on what natural evidence suggests. There are many theories that attempt to provide answers or possibilities to explain the origins of the universe. The Big Bang theory posits that all the matter in the universe was initially concentrated in an extremely dense mass of atoms. Another theory revives what Bruno declared in the Middle Ages, which led to his execution. He said, "The universe has no beginning or end. There are no boundaries or barriers to prevent the infinite multiplication of things. There is a continuous generation of matter, and there is neither creation nor end." The steady-state theory is considered an extension of Bruno's infinite, unbounded theory from over 300 years ago. According to this theory, the universe has been expanding and spreading since eternity and will continue to expand and spread forever. Despite the galaxies having been moving away from the Milky Way for countless billions of years.